Hi friends, you did a great job of figuring out which one of these numbers was less or showed a fewer amount, and you were able to explain it using your cubes or counters. I want to show you a couple different ways that people use their objects to explain which number is less. So the first thing most people did was built a set for each number. So our first number that we see is the number 3. So they got 3 cubes. 1, 2, 3. The next number we see is the number 8. So they got 8 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So then my question was, which number is less? So they took the 3 cubes and they took the 8 cubes and compared them. Comparing is when we look and see, and less means it's the smaller amount. Well, look at these. When I line these 2 trains or sticks up, the 3 is really short compared to the 8. It keeps on going. There's a lot more cubes in my stick of 8. So that told me and told you that 3 is less than 8. But that's not the only way you did it. Some friends use their counters, and they did the same thing. They built the sets. Okay, they said there's 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to use yellow. And then they used maybe a different color, the red, for the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, first of all, when we look, it's kind of obvious that this set of 3 has less than this set of 8. This group is really small over here. But we could do it another way. We could line them up, 1, 2, 3, just like we did with our cubes. I'm going to match the dots. And then look at this. I still have a lot more for my group of 8. But you know what? I even saw someone do this a different way. So they put their 3 up here and their 8 down here. And then one thing they did was they went group by group and they moved one. Okay, I'm going to move one from the 3 and one from the 8. We'll move one from the 3 and one from the 8. One from the 3, one from the 8. Look at this. There's a lot more left from my group of 8. And that tells me that the 3 is smaller, or the amount of 3 is less than the amount of 8. Okay, so let's try another one. Let me show you 2 more numbers. Ready? Here's a number, and here's a number. They look different. Which one of these numbers is less? Can you send me a video explaining which one of these numbers, which amount would be less? And I want you to explain to me how you know or what you're thinking.